There's many of my clients asking me why the bank interest rate increased significantly recently, but why there's still many developers open to sell their product into the market. You know that we can deny the fact that we have to wait for 7 to 10 years to have a new cycle, and we already finished one cycle in the past. We are at the point of starting of the new cycle. Developer cannot wait to start the new cycle. And you know that bank interest is just minor things in the way we're running the market. You must see into the big pictures of the market to understand that developer cannot delay. Secondly, the bank interest is just a minor thing. You know, we can see it as a sign of the crisis, but the other view from the central bank, we know that this our central bank, it control the money to the bank to distribute for the loaning by quarters. So the increasing the rate recently maybe come from the problem of the quota of the first quarter is out. So maybe you wait for the second quarter, third or fourth to have a lower interest rate. It's just a periodic problem. So it's not a big deal to us. Especially you are investor, you have your money. It just have the problem with the buyer that already used too much the bank loan in the past, or to many other speculators in the past. For the real buyers or the real investor, there's no problem. The third thing is developer, they can control the game. You know that they can issue the policy to let the buyer to pay gradually, step by step, month by month, or even quarter by quarters. So the buyer have no pressure to pay at once like the secondary market. With the primary market, they can pay following the payment schedule very slow from developer, or they even can enjoy the privilege to pay late according to their policy. So basically, developer can design the game for all the buyer in the market. So the bank is not the problem. The bank just an additional factors. It's not the main actors in the game, you know. So by these three main things, I think we are on a very good point of starting. And the interest rate is the side of the growth of the market recently. So it's also happened in the past with our market. Don't worry too much. It's just a sign of development. So if you are a beginner, should take a look at this time. Many products for you to consider.